What's up, guys? We are breaking down the elbow flaring out on the push-up. It's no bueno, and let's dive into it. So if you're cranking out push-ups and your elbows are flaring out, this is horrible, absolutely atrocious for your shoulder, because as your shoulder dives forward, no bueno. What I want you to be doing is externally rotating, just like we talk about with the squats, screwing your feet in. You actually want to screw your hands in. So watch what this does to my shoulder. If I screw my hand in, it pins the lat down, gets it into a good position. So that's the first thing you want to do, is screw your hands in and watch what that does. Whoop. They go by your sides and you're in a lot better and safer position. Another thing that I want to bring to your attention is at the top of your push-up, your feet should be together, pressing through your scaps, not here. Heck isn't out. You're tucked and locked and loaded here, just like we do with our hollow body progression. You should look like that on your hands when you do push-ups. Now, if you're not there yet and you think I'm doing this because it's easier, I would rather show you some of my progressions. Here we go. High box is easier. Work on that perfect form, screwing in the hands, chest to the box, pushing through so that you can avoid flaring out. Once you master that, lower box. Once you feel comfortable with that, now work on negatives. We talk about negatives all the time, how controlling the eccentric down and getting some support up is a great way to get stronger. So do that. Control, control, control. And then I don't really care how you get up. Control. Keeping the elbows tucked in tight. And then once you want to get some reps, grab a nice band. Swoop it onto your armpits. Put on your hips. And now you can start to get some quality reps and start to get a little bit of strength, endurance to your triceps and to your chest. Make sure the elbows aren't flaring out. If you like this video and you want to see more tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're here to educate you, inspire you, and bring the best out of you. Keep training hard.